Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. I'm going to cook the pork dinuguan. Philippine recipe. It's very delicious and special. Yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and thank you for support. Subscribe, likes and share our video. First, we have to put 2 tablespoons of butter, and also we add the oil so the butter's not get burned, and also shredded or ginger, like thumb of ginger. To make it swell, and then the garlic, and then you have to stir when the garlic is cooked, and then you have to add the onions. I add 1 whole big onions slice. I slice and turn the cubes. Have to stir it, and then when onion and the ginger and also garlic is half cooked, then you have to add the meat and fish sauce, like 3 tablespoons of fish sauce or more, and pork powder, tablespoon, and black pepper, and then you have to mix it. Then simmer it until the meat is, and also like 3 tablespoons of vinegar, and I add a little bit of soy sauce or fish sauce and mix it well. And let them simmer and add black pepper. Simmer it, and you have to stir it so the ingredient make it even into the fork, and also the Knorr seasoning soy sauce like 3 tablespoons, and you have to simmer it. As you can see, the blood is gone. Let it simmer more. Subscribe guys, and for bay leaves or laurel, and also the sugar, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Normally I add this 2 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons of sugar brown. Put that later. And also the lemongrass, and we call tanglad. So we add her ginger, lemongrass, tanglad, and also bay leaves or laurel in our language in Philippines. So now we have to simmer it again. As you can see, I always mix it. I want to make sure that it's not get burned under. I add more vinegar. add the vinegar, don't mix so the flavor stays in your meat. And I add the water is even the meat. Black pepper again. As you can see guys, it's boiling and the meat is cooked. Then you have to add the pork blood, and the blood I add like 3 tablespoons of vinegar and mix it well. So now we have to put the blood, and making sure while you put, you have to stir it right away so it's not, the blood is not gonna get brown or what the other call like bilog-bilog. And more blood, pork blood. So you have to stir it. Subscribe, likes, and please leave comment. Thank you to all support to all silent viewers and my subscriber. Thank you so much for always coming my channel, and also the chili for sinigang, and we have to add is tubig. And also guys, it's not always green chili I put, and also I add also the bell pepper, red bell pepper. Dinuguan is good to have a bell pepper, red pepper. So now you have to mix it well so the blood is not gonna have a circle or round, in other words, or bilog. So now we have to taste it, making sure our taste is good. If you think the taste is light, then you have to add either fish sauce or a little bit of salt. I add salt to taste. And also I add brown sugar also. Now our bell pepper, red pepper, we have to add it. So I want a little bit of salt to taste. I want my dinuguan like a little bit sticky, so as you can see. And brown sugar, 1 tablespoon brown sugar. Totally I put brown sugar is like 3 tablespoons or 4. So if you think you can put the coconut milk in your dinuguan, or if you think like more water, you have to boil, or you put a little bit of cornstarch to get sticky. So now our dinuguan is ready to serve. It's yummy, and we get ready to rise, or they call chocolate milk. Thank you so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you to all my subscribers, silent viewers, and to all supporters. Please support my channel, and thank you, and also God bless. See you my next video.